Hey guys, how you going? It's me again. Last time we spoke, I had just made this board. It's quite nice. I've got all 7 matched transistors running with the previous coil I made, 7 primary, 1 trigger, and everything's running fine. I had about 1.5 amps from that charging power, running off the same wheel, 7 magnets. Still running in a traction mode. It's much more efficient, so I decided to step it up. I've got 2 coils, 14 transistors. It would make more sense to have 1 trigger and 2 coils running off the 1 trigger, but my ohmage on my resistors are still too high, so I'm running 2 triggers, which is a little bit inefficient. The wheel is only spinning at like 200 RPM, and if I was to have 1 trigger, it'd be spinning at about 500. So I need to lower my resistance on my coils. I need to lower the resistance on the base to get more charging amperage. But hey, this setup here, 2 coils, 14 transistors, is running about 3 amps charging capacity. And pushed this 60 amp hour deep cycle battery to 15.76 at the moment, and that's quite high, so that's very close to the full desulfation charge, so I'm quite happy. These batteries are very quickly rejuvenating, in fact. So I can show you that right now. Just turn this bad boy on. DC. There we go. We got, oh well, it's only measuring 2.34, but when the battery becomes more charged, it draws less amperage. So if I was to put this on a battery which wasn't quite as charged as this one, it'd be still measuring about 3 amps, 2.97. So you can see that. And on the primary, running the wheel, I'm drawing 8.22. But these inefficiencies are because I'm triggering the wheel with 2 trigger windings. And I'm doing that because my resistance on switching the base is still too freaking high. So I've got to work on that. And I've hooked it up real bodgily, but that's alright. It's just to give me an understanding and see in which direction I should go. You know what I mean? It takes time to work out what you want to do. And that's the load restriction I have on my wheel. It adjusts the bearings, but hey, you'd have a fan, you could have a generator, you could have so many different things. Just wait till you see what I'm going to build. It's going to work real well. But hey, we're already at 15.81. Still running off the switch mode power supply from my solar batteries, so yeah, we should come up real nice on this one. They're desulfating quite nicely. So once they finally reach about 16 volt, 16.2, these batteries are back to their good old self. And they're already about 3.5 to 4 years old. So these batteries are doing pretty well at this point. Alright, that's just where I'm at. I got plenty more changes and plenty more tests, but yeah, I'll get back to you on that. Later, guys.